Hello guys, you can see I am in the rose garden, and this garden is looks like a movie scenery. We see such kind of scenery in movies, and this is really amazing. I have visited here once or twice time before, and this is my third time I am visiting here, and this is really good, amazing garden. I have experienced this garden, and if you have partner, come with partner here. I came with my friend, and this is why I am saying I am just going, and you can see this is the rose garden outskirts, and if I show you, this is the main road, and I am going to the Saket Court because I just came to visit here from the Saket Court, and now I am just going to the Saket Court. So bye, see you later. Hello, good morning, guys. It's another day of English speaking, and now just I woke up and got up as well because there was a call of agent who came to me to take the return parcel. I requested yesterday for my parcel to return, and the agent came to my doorstep now in early in the morning, and not this is the early in the morning for me, not for him, because it's about to 10 a.m. right now, and I was just laying on my cot, and I don't know why I feel in winter season. Let's lay down. What would I do after getting up? Let's lay down. And usual, if I share with you, I am a such kind of lazy person. I don't want to get up on time. I don't want to, not want to, I am I can say a procrastination. This is the definition of me. Procrastination word belongs to me, I can say, because sometimes I feel like let it be, I will do it you know after some time, about any work. But I am so sincere for my English practice journey, and I am capturing in the morning. I am just about to, I was going to my bathroom to wash my face and take a bath. And before doing this kind of habit, this kind of habit, I am saying because it happens without intention, and I am making this video because making video is also my habit. And this is really, you can see this is a window, and now the sunlight coming through this window. This is why you can see my face clearly, because there is a sunlight behind it. And now I am making this video in the morning so that I can start my day and think in English, because I want to say to my mind, you have to speak in English, and you have to develop an environment for yourself, for itself, I can say, English environment, so that sometimes I was in Saket Court yesterday, and my senior talked to me in English and share something and asked me some question in English, and I was replying him in my native language, Hindi. And but I was thinking, let's try in front of my senior replying in English. And I few sentences I answered in English, and he was like, okay, okay, keep it up, keep it up. And my senior is really good, and he appreciate me always if I am doing right something. Not I'm not talking about the English journey as well. English journey only. He appreciate me while I do something excited and do something good in the court. If there is an argument, in the court, and I represent my client. And if I do good, he appreciate me. If I do better, he appreciate me. If I do bad, then he make me understand what kind of mistake I did in the court, and how can I improve myself, so that in future I would not going to do, and I would not repeat the same mistake again. And this is all about now. And I took the, how can I say, and today I was laying in the court and I was saying I am not feeling to go to the court today, so I decided not to go to my duty because I am a corporate lawyer. This is why I applied for a leave in the morning while I was laying in the court. And if my senior would see this video, he will he would, I guess, fire me without thinking, because I am saying with you and share with you each and everything raw and real. I don't edit my video. And because of I am saying I am not getting much views, I know. This is why I share my thoughts, raw and real thoughts, which I am thinking, which I am looking at, about which I am experience. Okay, so it is all about now, and I am just going to take a bath. Then I will go to. I guess I would definitely make video for my reel, and then after making some reels, I would definitely go to the Saket Court first, and then I will go to the visit some place with my friend, because there was a call of my friend to, he was saying to me, let's go to go outside to have fun. And I was like, okay, let's go. So I decided to apply for a leave for today. And there is no response till now from my senior. And let's see what happened. Hello guys, I just came out from the gym. I did exercise today as always, and now I am at the 6th floor, and now I am going downside by the stairs, and you can see the foggy, there is outside not so much fog, but you can see the foggy sceneries outside, because it's thunder outside. It's really thunder outside. And I will show you by the rear camera. Now you can see this is the scenery at the evening time. It's about 5:30 p.m. right now, and I am capturing myself at 5:30 p.m. right now. And I just came out from the gym, so I was thinking to make video because I want to be consistent on YouTube. This is why I am making this video. I have no clue, no reason, and I have lots of story to share with you. But now, because I feel so shy when people comes at me, but comes towards me, not at me, comes towards me. And this is why you can see there is no one. I already shared with you yesterday my yesterday experience in my previous video, and I was standing at the same spot and was making and capturing myself. I was making video, and there are two guys, and I can say not guys, they were advocates, and was coming towards to the upper floor, and I was I went mute for some time. I don't know why, but I feel this kind of shyness I have, I can say. And now you can see this is really peaceful scenery at the evening time, I can say. And there is fog outside, and you can see the road, but you are not able to see the road because the You can see there is fog out, and now this kind of experience I have experienced yesterday, and you can see this is why I avoid making video in the court premises. This is the only reason I make video wherever I want, but sometimes I avoid making video because people looking in such a way like I am committing any offense. I don't know why. I think sometimes if I were a celebrity, then people going to look at me like this way, as this they are looking at me now. So I feel celebrity sometimes. Now I am celebrity. This is why they are looking at me, and they are But there is one scenario which is absent in this experience I have experienced now, and I already shared with you. With those advocates, if there one coming towards me, and I went mute sometimes, and there is one issue that is absent always, is applause, because I know I know the reality. I am not a celebrity type. This is why, and I think like I'm a celebrity, but people are not clapping for me, and not appreciating for me, and I am making video for myself, and they are advocate who are talking on call, and but I am making this video right now because I am not going to feel shy. I am controlling shyness. This is you can see my expressions. I am controlling my shyness because sometimes I feel, and I avoid making video when people notice me. But I am just making video, and kind of hiding my shyness to make video. I am eager to make video. I am able to or not, but I am able to, but I avoid making video. But I am just trying to capture people. And there were a video and as a reel on Instagram I was watching yesterday, and in that video a boy just started making video on Instagram as a blogger. He posted video, and he post video daily on Instagram as a blog, and he was saying, if people are looking at you, just switch the camera on them. And there were there would be two scenario. If they would going to ignore you, if they would come to join you, and the both are the both will be the both experience will be your content. And so I am just I can say follow his instructions. And this is all about. Now I am just going to my room. I am just getting late, so I will see you at my room. If I will not have time at the night time, so I am not going to continue this video. This is the end. So if you are watching video till now, go and subscribe. Please subscribe and hit the like button. I am making this video, and you can see my fluency, and this is the another day of English speaking. And bye.